With Snagit, you can of course snag it, but you can also scroll it, annotate it, move it, edit it, record it, and share it. Whoa, let's see how it works. Snagit is made up of two parts, the capture window and the Snagit Editor. The capture window is where you select how you would like to record what is on your screen. Choose between the image, video, or the all-in-one tab, which allows you to switch between all capture methods. I recommend you start with the all-in-one for its flexibility. Let's click the capture button and get started. Select a window, full screen, or click and drag the crosshairs to select a region of your screen. Click the camera icon to take a screenshot of the selected region, or choose the video icon, then the record button to record your screen and webcam. To capture a scrolling window, choose the scrolling capture option, slowly scroll vertically or horizontally, then click Done. Thank you, Snagit. I will enjoy that llama while I wait. Your image or video will then appear in the Snagit Editor. Image editing tools are up here in the toolbar and here under More. Add comments to specific parts of your capture with callouts. Align colors and fonts with your company or personal brand. Use the selection tool to move objects around. Edit the text, or delete them. Remove unwanted sections with the cutout tool. So, is that it? Nope. Use the blur tool and Smart Redact to automatically find and hide sensitive information. Record, trim, and combine videos with no time limit. Need to quickly document a process instead? Use Step Capture to click through the steps and have Snagit create a numbered guide for you. When your masterpiece is finished, share it by... Wait, I almost forgot. Let's add a border first. Perfect. With a single click, get a shareable link. Your team can view and comment on your image or video. No account or login needed. Or share it directly to a frequently used destination. All your captures are stored and organized in your Snagit library, so you can return to them at any time. When it comes to capture, edit, share, Snagit has you covered. Want to learn more about what you can do with Snagit? Check out our other tutorials. And thanks for watching.